here she is. We have the 2023 Lowe's Animatronic Witch. She's so awesome. She's for sale for $279. Sold out online, but if you go into the store, you will probably find one. We found her this morning. There was one on the box on the floor. I'm so excited to have her because we weren't very fond of the Home Depot witch from last year. So I'm very glad that Lowe's came out with their own version, which I think is way cooler. She lights up, she talks, she moves, and she's holding this cool skeleton head trio, which also lights up. I do recommend to buy or purchase some extra batteries because the ones that did come with her were dead when we first installed. And also installation was okay. It's definitely manageable. It's a little hard to find the shoulder connections in between all of that dress, but you can do it. It's easy like this if you lay her down on something. And we actually found an easier way to put her dress on to kind of save you some trouble in the future.
So this piece right here has to settle down on here. It goes just like this on here, but as you can see, when this is connected, it makes it very difficult to get the arms feel in there when you're putting your arm through the fabric. It would help if it was maybe tilted a little bit more or out just a little bit further, but when you have the dress on and you're trying to feel around in there, sometimes it can be very difficult to see what's going on. So right here is one. This is the connection for the head to swivel. If you look down here in the instructions, it doesn't necessarily say anything. It just has that clip there. On the other side, I don't know if you can see it straight up. This piece here has another one right here. So you gotta make sure you get the back piece, this back piece, the hunchback, into the correct one on the back. And once you put the dress on, it becomes very difficult. So this thing, because all these things right here are very difficult when you get it out of the package, it's the correct way for a dress. But if you look inside here, it has a ring right here. If you fold it inside out, then you can just kind of put it over it. And then all you have to do is drape the dress over the back, like this. This makes it much easier to get everything under control because this red sash is so large and kind of just swings everywhere. And voila, you're ready to go. Put the arms and head on. Makes it a heck of a lot easier than in the package trying to throw it over. Just turn it inside out. It'll be way better on you.
I have waited for this moment to cast a spell.